Hi, my dears, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about the landforms created by underground water and seawaves. Today, we will learn about the landforms formed by wind and glaciers. Let's see the geomorphic agent wind. Students, do you know the landforms created by winds are mostly seen in deserts? Let's see the conditions of desert. Desert is a barren area of landscape with sands, which having little precipitation. High temperature at day and low at night. Living conditions are hostile for plants and animals' life. Lack of vegetation. This region mainly exposes to wind erosion. Let's learn about wind erosion. Wind erosion is done by deflation and abrasion. The strong world winds carry away the dry desert sands from one place to another. This process of wind erosion is called deflation. The continuous erosion caused by sand. The strong winds carries the rock particles which break down the rocks in desert. This process of wind erosion is called abrasion. Okay students, let's learn about the erosional landforms by wind. First one, mushroom rock. By the process of abrasion on rocks in desert, soft rocks gets eroded and hard rocks appears like mushrooms. So this kind of landform structure in deserts known as mushroom rocks. Next one, depositional landforms by wind. First one, sand dunes. The sand dunes formed in the deserts are a result of the deposition by wind. Every dune has a windward side and a slip face. Let's see about the second depositional landform called berkens. A crescent-shaped shifting of sand dunes in the deserts are called berkens. Berkens' windward side will be gentle slope and leeward side will be steep slope. Okay students, now I hope that you have understood all about the landforms formed by wind. Next we are going to study about the last geomorphic agent, glaciers. What is meant by glacier? Snow-clad mountains formed by continuous snowfall extending over the years. These snow-covered mountains extend over vast areas with thick massive ice sheets. This huge mass of ice that moves slowly over the land is called glaciers. Let's learn about glacial erosional landforms. In the movement of glacier, it carries sand and rock particles. These rock particles spiked to the bottom of the glacier where the landforms get rubbed and polished. This causes the formation of various glacial erosional landforms. These landforms are generally found in high mountain ranges and polar regions. Let's see about the erosional landforms by glacier. First one, U-shaped valley. The erosion caused by the continuous movement of glaciers along the valleys which cuts out steep-sided and flat-bottomed U-shaped valleys. Second erosional landform by glaciers are cirques. Cirques are The armchair-like mountain valley heads, which have been shaped into deep shallows by the erosion of small glaciers. Let's study about the depositional landforms by glacier. First one, moraines. The sediments carried down by the glaciers will be deposited in various parts of the valley. These depositional features by glaciers are called moraines. Okay students, now I hope that you have understood all about the landforms created by different metamorphic agencies like rivers, underground water, waves, winds, glaciers, etc. See you in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.